Hello, hi everyone, and so today's video is a part 2 in the series. This happened like months before, and now I'm doing the second part because I am going for. Oh god, this is getting stuck. Huh. So I am going to get my second dose of vaccine, and so let me see how much I can share with you, and otherwise, obviously, I'll narrate everything. So there's one thing that I want to tell you, that I don't know who are these people who keep saying things about, India is this, India is that, da 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 da. Just to give you an update, right now, anybody, obviously within the specified category, can get the free vaccine, and that's what I'm going for. I paid for my first dose, but now for the second one, there are like allotted places and all where you can just go and get your second dose of vaccine free of cost. So that's what I'm going to get, and it's I think about 5-10 minutes walking from my place. So let me show you the road that I'm taking. So this is one of the major landmarks. This is B4. We are looking for B5. Let me ask someone. अंकल B5 किधर है जहाँ पे वैक्सीन लग रही है, आपको पता है? इसी रोड में आगे जाके? अच्छा, वहीं पे ही है. ठीक है. थैंक यू. So as we just asked, so I had an idea about the area, but not exactly. So that's the reason why I confirmed from someone who actually lives in this particular area. And let's see how it goes. I'm really hoping that I'll be able to get the vaccine today itself. And as you can see, the season has changed. I got first dose when it was back in summers, the rainy season, and now the winters have started. That's why I'm wearing the jacket. So let's see how it goes. So as the guy had mentioned that just keep walking straight, there you'll find the कूड़ादान, and उसी के साथ में ही there is the school जहाँ पे वैक्सीन लग रही है. So let's see. So it should be maybe about 50 steps. Let's see. So I have been living in this area for good 25 years or so. I think so. That's how my old sister is, and she was born here. So that's how we calculate how long we have been living here. But I have never been to this side, not really, and this is like a new place for me. So let's go inside. So this is the place where you are getting free vaccine. Now let's see how it goes. भैया वैक्सीन के लिए सेकंड डोज के लिए हाँ टाइम पूरा हाँ 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 हो चुका है. हाँ ठीक है, थैंक यू. So look at this. This is a government school, MCD school, and for primary classes, and So the guy just confirmed if this is my second dose or my first dose and which one is it. So I'm heading to the office area and let's see. Oh, this is so wonderful. See? These are all the states with the capitals. Nice. So this is how you get booked and then you just go inside. So let me go inside. So I am already done with it. It hardly took 5 minutes in total to get it done, and then I waited for about 10 minutes to just basically let my body feel it all, and we are out of it. Yay, my second dose is done. And so again, as I was saying that in India, just a second, let it pass. Yeah, so I just want to point out something that yes, back in April, May, the second wave of COVID really was absolutely really bad. But I would also like to point out here that there were so many other countries where the same thing happened. So obviously, COVID is something that is something very new for the entire humanity. So you cannot pinpoint at a particular country and sort of just bring it down ki oh ho, ye ho gaya, aisa ho gaya, waisa ho gaya, India is not able to handle and all. Every country faced the same situation. So why only put India in the spotlight? It's beyond my understanding why this has been done. But in any case, current update, recent update, a lot of people have already been vaccinated. Vaccines are for free, and there are centers everywhere where you can just go and get your doses. So yeah, that's how it is. That's how COVID is being handled in India. That's how vaccines are being handled in India. And yeah, I absolutely love my country. Why wouldn't I? So with that, I will end the video, and if there are any reactions or anything, I will record them and let you guys know. But so far from what I have heard, that doesn't really happen, not after the second dose. So if that's the case, then bye-bye, hasta la vista, and I will see you in some other video with some other content, travel, lifestyle, life, reviews. The list is endless. And if you like my content, please subscribe, please like, please share, and I'll see you.